Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message from Zoho Sheet. So here our objective is that whenever we add a new row in our Zoho Sheet with the new details of client or user, then we want to send an automated message to that particular user on WhatsApp by using Vati. For this, we will create an integration between Zoho Sheet and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Zoho Sheet. In action application, we are going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have Zoho Sheet. And here we are adding the details of the user. And what we want is that whenever we add new details of the user in Zoho Sheet, then we want to use these details. And then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that user. For this, we will use Vati, which helps businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp. So for this, we will create an integration between Zoho Sheet and Vati. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And here you will get to see this page. And these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section. And we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message from Zoho Sheets. And here I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to the most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Zoho Sheet. So I will search for that. I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and new row or updated row will be my trigger event. Now I will connect Zoho Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I will click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection and I will connect with Zoho Sheet. Now to connect Zoho Sheet, I need to give a domain. So for that, let's go to Zoho Sheet. And here in the URL, we can see we have this domain, zoho.in. So I will type this in Pabbly Connect. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I will type zoho.in here. And I will click on Save. Now I will click on Accept. So my connection is successful. Now I have this workbook and worksheet. Now for this, let's go to Zoho Sheet. So my workbook name is Contact Details and we are using First Sheet. And here we have these three columns, name, email and phone number. So in response, we want to have these details. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So my workbook is Contact Details and we are using First Sheet. Now we'll click on Save and Send Test Request button. So it is waiting for a response. Now to get this response, I will add a new row in Zoho Sheet. I'll go back to Zoho Sheet. And here my name will be dummy user. I will give an email. So my email will be dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my phone number. So I have added this new row which has name as dummy user, email as dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com. And this is the random phone number. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have this new response. So the name is dummy user, email is dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com. And we have this random phone number. Now what we want is, we want to use these details and we want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this particular WhatsApp number. Now for that, we will have to set up our action. And for that, I will open this. And here my action application will be Vati. So I will select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I will select this. And I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here. I will click on add new connection. And to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect, I have to give an API endpoint and access token. So for this, I'll go back to Vati and I will go to API docs. And here we have this access token and API endpoint. So I will first copy this API endpoint. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here. Now I will go back to Vati. I will copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here. Now I will click on save. So my connection is successful. Now we have these details. So first I need to give the WhatsApp number. So for that, I will map that WhatsApp number here, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open the response, and this is my WhatsApp number that I'm gonna use. So I'll map this. Now we have template. So for template, let's go to Vati, and here I will go to templates, and in templates we are going to use this new lead template. So I'll open this, and here we have this template name, which is new lead, category is marketing, and language is English, and this is the body of my message. And in this body we have two variables, name and email. So we are going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to select my template, which is new lead. So I'll select this. Now the broadcast name. Now for broadcast name, I'll go back to Vati, and here in the broadcast title we have none. So I'm gonna go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm gonna type none here. And this is the most important step. So here I want to avoid mistakes, and custom params should always be in this format. So I will just copy this format and I will paste it here. So here we have two variables, name and the email. So custom params are always in this name value pair. So first I'm gonna clear this color, and in the name section I'm gonna type my first variable, which is name, and in the value I will clear this blue, and I'm gonna map my value here. So first I will open this response, and this is my full name. So I'm gonna map this. So this is the value of my first variable, name. So this is going to change according to the response that we are getting from the Zoho sheet. Now to get the other variable, I have to give a comma, and I will just copy this format and I will paste it back here. And my second variable is of email. So I'm gonna clear this company and I will type email here, and simply in the value section I'm gonna clear this MB and I will open this response, and I'm going to map my email address. So this is my email address. So I'm gonna map this. So this is my custom params, and we have these details here, WhatsApp number, template and broadcast name. Now I'm gonna click on save and send test request button. So here we have this contact ID. So this means that we have sent a WhatsApp message to this particular user. Now to check this, let's go to WhatsApp. I'll open this, and here we can see we have received this new message. So I'll open this, and this is our message. Hello dummy user, welcome to Pabbly. We are thrilled to have you on board. As a new connection, we wanted to say hello and share our excitement about the possibilities ahead. You can expect exclusive offers and updates sent straight to your inbox. Keep an eye on your email address. So this is the email address that we had in our variable section, and we have mapped this for the latest deals and insights. If you have any question or if there's anything specific you are looking for, feel free to reach out. We are here to help. So I have sent this automated WhatsApp message to this particular user, and we had these two variables in our template. So we have used this and we have mapped this here, and we have sent this message successfully to the user. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So here we have created this integration between Zoho Sheet and Vati. So whenever we are adding a new details of the user in Zoho Sheet, an automated WhatsApp message is sending to that particular user automatically. So this is how we have created this workflow. Now let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Zoho Sheet, and our trigger event was new or updated rows. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Vati, and our action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.